Good morning.
Good morning.
She said, I was surprised. At 10:30, she said, it is nice to find all of you this early morning. That is the reason why I don't like Pune. Look at Japan. You know, we meet in the evenings. We had a person when I started teaching in Mumbai. He was working for Japan Airlines. And whenever he came to the gym, whether morning, afternoon, evening, he would say, solid, good morning. It should always be morning at any point in time in your life. जिंदगी में शाम होनी ही नहीं चाहिए. मालूम है क्यों? बताइए क्यों? Anybody guesses? सबसे ज्यादा रेवेन्यू कलेक्शन महाराष्ट्र का रेवेन्यू कलेक्शन महाराष्ट्र सरकार किस पे चलती है? इसलिए जिंदगी में शाम होनी ही नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा मेरा दावा है. क्योंकि शाम हुई कि चले बाबू. अरे यार क्या जिंदगी है. ये तो ये देखो क्या हमने स्टार्टिंग किया. लगाओ फिर से 2 मिनट गाना. यार क्या जवान. 10:30 man. Spirit should be all the time morning. Good morning, solid good morning. Okay. Now come back to the reality. Why is it that in the morning also people say, आज पण कामावर जायचंय. Any point in time you should be ready for work. You are born to work. You want to do. You're born to basically enjoy. रोते रोते, there's no meaning. Don't cry. Remember, Robin Sharma said, who will cry when you cry? Nobody has time to cry for you. So why you are crying now? Nobody is going to cry for you. और आप आज जिंदा हो फिर भी रो रहे हो. Bloody hell. No word for me is banned. Remember, I made it clear that day. मैंने कोई लफ्ज यूज किया, आपने मुझे मेरे अगेंस्ट केस फाइल की, मुझे कोई नुकसान होने वाला नहीं है. तिहाड़ जेल में जाके योग वर्ग शुरू हो जाएंगे और वहां पे ज्यादा माल है क्योंकि एक्स फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर वहां नोट छोड़ के गए. ऐसे रीसेंट न्यूज है केरला की. कितने वैगन्स आए, कितने नोट छपे और वो कहां से कहां गए. सो प्लीज फाइल अ सूट अगेंस्ट मी इफ यू डेयर टू. अदरवाइज वही नोट खिसका के मैं छूट भी सकता हूं. Now come to how many of you were there for my last session? This less a number. So quickly run through because you know it's necessary, because otherwise you will be at tangent with what I'm trying to do. Let's quickly look through. If you're not able to read, I will read it for you. What is it? Pranayama as conceived by Patanjali Muni is put forth through Patanjali Yoga Sutras. Come on, next. Breath is the gift by the architect of the universe. Last time I made a specific mention here. मैं architect of the universe. Why am I saying so? क्योंकि पूना में यदि मैंने गॉड कहा, सुन रहे हो? If the head is not nodding, then नहीं सुन रहे हो. सुन रहे हो? Hyderabad, I was told this is yes, and this is no, and this is permanent no. So, architect of the universe इसलिए कहा. The reason why I said so, the moment I say God, 960 सदाशिव पेट में एक अपार्टमेंट, 1 बेडरूम अपार्टमेंट में 3 रहते हैं, मियां बीवी और लड़का. 3 की अलग अलग संगठनाएं होती हैं. एक है प्रो गॉड, दूसरा एंटी गॉड एंड तीसरा बीच में. एंड दैट टू इंटरनेशनल, नॉट ऑर्डिनरी. इंटरनेशनल परिषद फॉर एंटी गॉड स्कीम और फंडिंग मिलता है. That is very important. Next, so that is why we use the word architect of the universe, because I have some beautiful architect chicks. Manufactured by the architect. Okay, she agrees. Soul and Jeev is responsible for breathing. Very important as a concept. आगे चल के मालूम होगा. चलिए. Now we are coming to the sutra quickly. तस्मिन् सति श्वास प्रश्वासयोः गतिः विच्छेदः. The two words are primary. उस दिन बहुत इसके ऊपर डिस्कशन किया. We can't repeat it. It's not possible. गति and विच्छेद. गति के लिए पैरेलल वर्ड है. Next. वेग. गति has nothing to do with वेग. Gati is natural, gifted, primordial. Like I said, make a sentence using the word Gati or Veg. You will be able to know the meaning. पृथ्वी को आप क्या कहोगे? गति है या वेग है? तो उस दिन सब लोगों ने कहा पृथ्वी को हम गति ही कहेंगे. मगर ऐसे पूछा कि वेग क्यों नहीं कहेंगे, तो जवाब नहीं. It is so. तो बिग बैंग थियरी कहो, कुछ भी कहो. It has come into motion and it continues to be in the motion. इंसान 19-20 कर नहीं सकता है, ऐसे जो है that is गति. गति does not belong to manipulation. Manipulation is the area of speed. उसकी कम ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं. गति is natural, primordial. It is so. Anybody who has difference of opinion, please come forward, discuss this out later. Right now, Sahanavavatu principle, together, let's understand together, let us be having our differences, but let us put the differences temporarily away and understand what I am trying to put forth. There is absolutely nothing wrong in trying to put your point forth. I will listen to you. If I find that you are more amicable to what my understanding is, I am ready to change the party without a bag of, hey, Bihar, Tihar money. Vichhed and Avrodh have nothing in common. Vichhed is Visheshena Prakarshena Chedan. Specialized way, we, Chedan, penetratively going deep into it. Avrodh is formal stoppage. जो commonly understood है कि विच्छेद को stoppage कहते हैं, रोकना कहते हैं. सांस के साथ मस्ती करना कहते हैं. सांस को रोकना इस प्राणायाम, ये सबसे बड़ी गलतफहमी है. जो चीज रोकी ही नहीं जा सकती उसको आप रोकोगे कैसे? गति कैन नॉट बी स्टॉप. तो श्वास प्रश्वास को गति देने वाला जो तत्व आपके भीतर है, टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. विच्छेद इज टू रियलाइज दैट. क्योंकि हमारा पहला सूत्र पतंजलि का, तीसरा क्या है? व्हाट इज द थर्ड सूत्र? वी वांट टू बी अ द्रष्टा, not karta. We want to be a drashta of the primary existence of me. Tada drashtuhu swarupe avasthanam. स्वरूप अवस्थे का द्रष्टा बनना है, और द्रष्टा बनने के लिए ये सब मददगार हैं. Next. At the instant of birth, this is a very common question and miserably people fail. Because people are unfortunately equating every bloody thing to oxygen and oxygen and oxygen. How many of you know oxygen as a gas? This name came into existence something around 17th century, as per the scientists. But still, human being didn't survive prior to that. इतनी देर के बाद ये लगता है आर्किटेक्ट है, कॉर्पोरेशन के लिए काम करती है. नहीं, मैंने प्लान पासिंग के लिए, जब तक कुछ मिला नहीं दक्षिणा. मैं बिल्कुल सीरियस पूछ रहा हूँ. Come to this basic issue that at the instant of birth we are not breathing. It's a post-birth phenomenon. And mother was supplying you oxygen because it was like an organ for that mother. And remember, that is the reason why मदर चाइल्ड रिलेशनशिप इज परमानेंट। कभी भी आपको ठेस लगे, किसकी याद आती है? माँ की ही याद आती है। कोई भी हो, there is no choice, माँ की ही याद आती है। उसकी वजह ही ये है, हम इस नलिका से परमानेंटली जुड़े रहते हैं। Even if the umbilical cord is cut, believe me, the sensations from Nabi, Ayurveda people will tell you that from there you can still keep feeding, you can still giving impulses to the entire system. That is the Nagpur of our basic country. यहाँ से, नाभि से सब जगह संवेदनाएं पहुंच पाती हैं, and that is very important. Centralized location, equal distribution. ऐसे नहीं जब जमाने में था कि पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम में यहाँ पे सिटी में है, वहाँ पे अच्छा चावल दो, वहाँ पे खराब दो. That methodology was not there. Throughout, any part to any part, movement should be easy. Easy accessibility. That is why Nabi plays important role. बाद में देखेंगे अब. Now breathing is post-birth phenomena. So breath and Jiva complement each other, but Jiva is primary. Next. Awareness of breathing does not require five senses. It's a very basic issue that you should understand. सांस महसूस करने के लिए इंद्रियों की जरूरत नहीं है. None of the organs of the senses are required. Next. Yeah, what is the role of the senses to protect the jiva? बड़ा आवाज हो गया, कोई गैस है, कोई फायर है, मालूम ही नहीं पड़े तो क्या होगा? Okay, जैसे डायबिटीज वालों को क्या हो जाता है? सप्लाई इज गॉन, सो नर्व इम्पल्सेस नहीं है, तो खीला लग गया तो भी मालूम ही नहीं होता, इंजरी चल रही है, बाद में कहीं मालूम होता है अरे ये खून बह रहा है यार, हमारी जख्म इतने साल हो गई है. सो दैट इज व्हाई सेंसेशंस आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर यू to survive, the jiva to be protected in this living system. Then also in a limited way sensual pleasures through it. तीखा खाओ, ये खाओ, चवी पुरतं ठीक है, पण चवीच्या नादी लागणं बरोबर नाही. That is bad. आजकल हर जगह, हर नुक्कड़ पर पानीपुरी के ठेले हैं. ओके, एक जमाना था पूना में पानीपुरी नाम की चीज कहो, पूछो किसी को, 907 सदाशिव पेठेत गेल्यानंतर यू आस्क समबडी पानीपुरी, So what? ऐसा ये क्या होता है? क्या हो महाराज? चुकीचं बोलून राहिलो का मी? Yes का no?
Yes.
चुकीचं बोलून राहिलो? मैं तो ऐसे ही उंगली डालूंगा, विकेट तो निकाल के रखूंगा. वो नहीं एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम क्या है, बीवी बाजू में बैठी है ना, जवाब क्या दूं उसको पूछ के दे रहे थे ना. That is why, because official spokesman is always चूकने ना मिले. Remote control. Getting sensual pleasures. Pranayam helps us in preparing platform for pratyahar. Onion. हमने कांदा क्यों सिलेक्ट किया होगा? क्योंकि वो महंगा है. इतनी देर तो कांदा खत्म भी हो गया. ये मैंने क्यों सिलेक्ट किया होगा? एनीबॉडी, एनी गेसेस? इसमें से निश्चित प्यास किसको कहेंगे आप? किसको प्यास कहेंगे और किसको नहीं कहेंगे? ऐसा कुछ है क्या इसमें कि इसको प्यास नहीं कह सकते हो? पहला लेयर प्याज है या दूसरा लेयर प्याज है या तीसरा लेयर प्याज है या अंदर प्याज है या ऊपर प्याज है? क्या है? The entire thing is onion, even if it has layers. अष्टांग योग भी वैसा ही है. ये लोगों के दिमाग से निकल जाना चाहिए कि जब मैं आसन कर रहा हूं तब मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, तब मैं मेडिटेशन भी कर रहा हूं, तब भी समाधि लग सकती है, तब भी प्राणायाम हो सकता है. हर एक चीज में सूक्ष्म रूप पे हायर लेवल मौजूद ही होना आवश्यक है. You cannot think of dhyana without understanding the fundamentals of what an asana is. लोग कहते नहीं, ये शारीरिक आहे. शरीर नाम की चीज, I don't know. Can I pinch you, sir? Can I pinch you? It is क्योंकि आजकल वो Me Too हो गया ना. I never asked him where. मैं खतरनाक हूँ, अब तो मालूम हो गया. हाँ. 44 years अभी तक Me Too केस नहीं लगी. Now, if I have pinched him, what he should say? No. मैंने इनको पिंच किया और उनको क्यों लगी? उनका कहना था मुझे पिंच क्यों नहीं किया? जवान ट्रेनिंग दे रहा हूँ, परमिशन लेके पिंच करना सीख लो, फायदे में रहोगे. He should say, this is which tricep muscle was, slightly, it was 1 centimeter, that became 0.75 centimeter. ऐसे हुआ? क्या हुआ? He felt pain. So if I pinch him, he felt pain, not the hand. This muscle was pinched, ना? पेन किसको? इस व्यक्ति को हुआ ना. तो ये जो बॉडी आपके लोगों के दिमाग में है ना, पक्का ध्यान में रखो, बॉडी एक बार ही होती है और वो क्या करेंगे वो बचे हुए लोग उस बॉडी का. मृत्यु पत्र में भी लिखा हो तो गारंटी नहीं है, क्योंकि अमेरिका में लड़का होगा तो तिकडे काय करायचं ते विल्हेवाट लावून टाका. आप सुन रहे हो? ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. नहीं. Are you hearing this dialogue for the first time in your life?
No.
This is reality, my dear. Wake up. Body is body only once, and till that time you are all the time somebody. Are you a buddy? Are you a buddy? She is now scared because pinch का हो गया. अभी बड़ी भी कह रहा हूँ. वो क्योंकि एक्सक्लूसिव मैट लेके आई है ना, स्पर्श नको यांचा म्हणजे यशदाचा. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज प्रिपेयरिंग यू फॉर प्रत्याहार. इसमें सेंसरी ऑर्गन्स का रोल ही नहीं है. टू सेंस ब्रेथ यू डोंट नीड एनी ऑफ द सेंसरी ऑर्गन्स. बी क्लियर. मूव फास्ट. वी आर नाउ टू एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिस, because today's time is mainly for actual practice. 20 minutes was all for quick revision, because most of the people, I'm using the word most, plus of 75% who are not there for the last session. And in case I straight away start with Kumbhakas, you will say, what is this? Don't forget, whatever you do in the name of pranayam technically belongs to the house of Kumbhakas. And Kumbhakas are ways and means to pranayam. Technically, it is not to be addressed as pranayam. It should be called Kumbhakas. Let's look at what are Kumbhakas. You need that slide. तो कोई stick भी है, कुछ भी है जिससे pointer है. So if you look at your system, your hands and legs are supplied oxygen and blood, but they don't have any of the pulmonary muscles. What I'm saying is, respiratory muscles part is only in this core body. And every nook and corner, here, sides, if you treat your core body or divide it into 24 segments, if you look at this as the front side, this as the back side, this as the left, and this as the right. These are 8 friends at the back, left below the armpit, right below the armpits. So you have 24 segments. This is just a representation. ऐसे मत कहो, मैं तो रोज घर जाके अरे मेरा 24th फ्रेंड छुट्टी पे है क्या? ऐसे गड़बड़ मत कर जाओ. So hey, what is it? इसके ऊपर है क्या वो? Sorry. पॉइंटर हो इस चीज दोनों एक ही चीज में पहले बता देना था ना, क्योंकि खिलवाड़ करना तो बच्चों के साथ खेलना तो अपना बेसिक है ना, खाली ऊपर वाला सबसे So this here it should be again quickly be understanding. और ये आजकल की सिर्फ नहीं परमानेंट गलतफहमी है। यदि मैंने आपको पूछा कि मैंने लंबा सांस लिया, ओके, आई टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ, मेरा सीना यदि 40 है, मैं लंबा सांस लेता हूँ तो 41 होती है। ओके, एवरीबडी इज एबल टू बी विथ मी? आई रिपीट, माय चेस्ट इज 40 से, क्योंकि आजकल 56 बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया ना, 40, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम नॉट प्राइम मिनिस्टर। तो मैंने यदि सीना फुलाया, 41 हुआ, सांस ली, दिस इज नॉट ट्रू, दिस इज डेड रॉन्ग, इट्स द अदर वे अराउंड। पहले सीना फूल पाता है, जितना जितना फूल पाता है उतनी उतनी हवा अंदर जा सकती है। Our system is like a dropper. I'm sure everybody has handled a dropper or a toothpaste of, and present toothpaste are better than the metal one. Metal वाली जो ट्यूब्स थी और प्लास्टिक वाली, उसमें क्या फर्क है? मेटल वाली यदि आपने स्क्वीज की तो मेटल क्रश हो जाता था, टूथपेस्ट बाहर गई तो वो अंदर आ नहीं सकती थी। अब प्लास्टिक वाली जो उसमें थोड़ी डेड स्पेस हो सकती है, आप पेस्ट को थोड़ा सा मुंह के पास रखो, इसको एक्सपैंड करो, द पार्ट ऑफ द पेस्ट कैन बी सक्ड बैक इन। कितने लोगों ने ये ट्राई किया है? हाँ, गुड, दैट मींस यू आर वेरी गुड 96 सदाशिव पेस्ट। टूथपेस्ट बाई आई अंदर बाहर आई हुई, थोड़ी सी अंदर कल के लिए रखते हैं। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, यस यस, प्रैक्टिकल, म्हणून तर 960 ना। सो अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज इट नाउ, क्लियर? पहले क्या हुआ? पहले स्पेस होना जरूरी है। Unless there is space, nothing will go in. Atmospheric pressure is fixed. Why will air enter your lungs? आप उसको कुछ हालत PADA देते हो? नहीं ना। तो सीना फूल पाता है, जितना जितना फूलेगा उतनी उतनी स्पेस होते जाएगी, उतनी उतनी हवा जाएगी। जैसे जैसे स्क्वीज करोगे हवा बाहर जाएगी। So expansion is responsible for inhalation, retraction is responsible for exhalation. And these are prana and apanic actions in simple words. I'm not coming to पंच प्राण, क्योंकि सिर्फ पंच प्राण पे बोलने के लिए मुझे 2 घंटे लगेंगे, 2 घंटे, और आपको समझाने के लिए और 2 घंटे, उसके बाद में मैडम को सलाम करने के लिए और 2 घंटे। नेक्स्ट, okay, कुंभकास are ways and means to attain pranayamic state of mind. Now understand this clearly. पतंजलि ने क्या कहा है प्राणायाम के बारे में? He has said very clearly, धारणासु च योग्यता मनसः, मन की योग्यता, धारणा, इस अवस्था तक ले जाना, यही उसका मकसद है। Be clear. It's to attain vital capacity, this, that, नहीं। What is dharana is a later issue, but same thing again. Come back to the onion story. Pranayam included in dharana, dharana included in dhyana. No part of the onion can be separated from the onion. Every part is onion. नहीं, मला तो आतला कोंबच फक्त खायचा आहे, डायरेक्टली आतल्या कोंबाकडे जाताच येणार नाही। You have to go through कोई भी meditation procedure लो, unless your system is tuned, you will not be able to get the desired effects of arousing the chakras or arousing kundalini or whatever you want to call it. Be clear on this. Samam kaya shirogriva nahi hai if you are not able to hold your spine clearly upright. And I said the other day in one of the talks, this is gata, this is narud on it. हम शुभ कलश कैसे रखते हैं पूजा में? उसको स्टेबलाइज करते हैं। ओके, वी पुट सम ग्रेन्स एटसेट्रा। उसमें क्या होता है? शुभ कलश में क्या होता है? शुभ कलश में क्या होता है? हाँ, किती वेळानी पुण्यात म्हणूनच एक वेळ येतं, 2 वेळ येतं, येतच नाही 24 तास। ते कुठे राहतात विचार, डाऊट आहे। 24 तास पाणी देत म्हणे ना। ओके, सो एनीवे, कलश, what are we? 70% of you is water. तर ते शुभ कलश विथ जल, कारण त्या व्हायब्रेशन्स जशा तुम्ही त्या पूजा करता ना करता, ऍक्च्युअली ऑल दोज व्हायब्रेशन्स आर टू बी कल्चर्ड ऑन युअर वॉटर. So prana swaha, apana swaha, vyana swaha, samana swaha, udana swaha is for not just that ahuti, but for your pancha pranas to be in order. Because anyone goes out of gear, you are out of gear. Be clear on that. आणि मग त्याच्यावरती श्रीफळ बेसिक. ते जर श्रीफळ नसेल तर गॉन ना, शिरच्छेद केल्यासारखं आहे ना. सो घट, नारळ इज अ इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट, बट घट हैज टू बी टेकन केअर ऑफ. And Ghata is managed by the postures beautifully, about which I cannot talk at all. परसों जो मैंने कहा था कल, वहाँ पे भी वक्त नहीं मिला. अब झट से हम आगे जाने वाले हैं. What are the three popular bandhas that are used? Three of them, Uddiyan, Jalandhar and Moola. आजकल हम मूल बंध इतना रिकमेंड नहीं कर रहे हैं, उसकी मेरे ख्याल से वजह लिखी है नीचे. In today's time, we in general do not recommend Moola Bandha because most of the people seem to be suffering in a big way of constipations, fissures, piles, etc. उसके ऊपर आपने additionally Moola Bandha लगाया तो constipatory tendency बढ़ सकती है. So we recommend, if your guru has said, go ahead with it. I have absolutely no objection to it. मैं कौन होता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं ordinary इंसान हूँ. घटा के लेवल पे आप उद्यान और जालंधर लगा सकते हैं. Let us move. Okay, here again, I don't know, time is a big component. काफ़ी लोग पहला सेशन मिस चुके हैं, इसलिए हमें थोड़ा सा टाइम कर्टेल करना है. Okay, fine. Let's quickly look at. This is a very common, non-understood terms. जैसे गति और विच्छेद समझ में नहीं आया लोगों को, मेरे ख्याल से पूरक और रेचक के बारे में भी लोग उतने ही अज्ञानी हैं. लोकांना पूरक म्हणजे असा काहीतरी एक गैरसमज आहे. ते कॅरी अ नोशन की इतका घेतला, इतका को रोखला, एक काउंट घ्या. मी मध्ये कुठेतरी कॉमेंट्री ऐकत होतो. आय वॉज हिअरिंग भरा 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 भरा. म्हटलं काय भरा? मी पळालो तिथनं. म्हटलं भरा भरा पळा बहुतेक तिथनं. भरा 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 श्वास भरा. म्हटलं भरा आणि मग रिकामा. आता सोडा 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 सोडा. म्हटलं काय सोडा? Okay, I tell you, words are words. The manner in which people use it, the way they use commentary, I'm shocked. The manner in which things are taught. Basic understanding. Purak is what according to you? Purak is subjective. Entire science of yoga is subjective. It has nothing to do with objective parameters. I feel good is I feel good. You can measure it in some form, that is another story, but target is not objective. Target is subjective. मैं खुश हूँ is मैं खुश हूँ. उसका कुछ ना कुछ measurement psychology वाले लोग कर सकते हैं. I'm not saying it is not possible, but I feel contented, I feel happy is a state of your body and mind. So Purak, maybe for this gentleman, milk is Purak. For somebody else, it can be रेचक. त्यांना पचत नसेल, त्यांना हगवण होत असेल, तर त्याला पूरक कसं म्हणणार? How will you call milk as पूरक आहार? Milk is not पूरक आहार. त्या व्यक्तीला पूरक जे, तो त्याचा पूरक आहार. Not clear. सिर हिल नहीं रहे, लोग ऐसे सीरियस. गाना सब बजाना है क्या? लोगों को उठाना जरूरी है. अरे don't go off to sleep young man. As it is, they have woken up early morning 10:30. हाँ, कितनी उपकार के लिए हैं परमेश्वरा. Then having breathed in, feeling of the pot being filled. You have to look at the house of lungs like a pot. Okay, so you breathe in. That something has gone in. Satisfaction of having got something is antar kumbhaka. Rechak is not Trifala Churna or Dhauti Yog. Satisfactory bowel movement is Rechak. मुझे ऐसे लगना चाहिए. Yes, I have emptied something. That emptied feeling, जेव्हा पोट माझं रिकामं आहे, that colon rectum area is empty, or I feel my lungs empty, I feel that. That is Rechak, it is not the product. Are you all with me or?
Yes.
So come to these terms. Purak is a subjective term of satisfaction of having received something from the environment here. My teacher, I had fantastic teachers all the time, including the crowd which, I land up teaching, because they land up coming with questions such fantastic that you start thinking about it and ask the teacher, hey, I got this funny question, what do I answer? So understand, this is very interesting that you have various layers of existence, Anandamaya Kosh, this Kosh, that Kosh, in this various areas that you attend here, you may come across various chakras and this and that. My teacher said, very simple thing, like I asked you about inhalation and exhalation, what happens? First you expand, then air goes in. Okay, so he would say, you expand your thorax, and suppose you are in water, what will go in? Hey, if you are in air, air will go in. If water is there, water will go in. If you are in Anandamaya atmosphere, so who is responsible for Anandamaya atmosphere to be built? You. Who is going to receive Ananda from the Anandamaya atmosphere? You. आपण काय म्हणतो हॅ म्हटलं की ते हॅ ॲटमॉस्फिअर आलं तिथे अरे हो का नहीं अरे यार कैसे समझाएं इस भारतीय लोगों को मुझे सचमुच लगता है यहाँ के लोग बिगड़ गए हैं क्यों बिगड़ गए हैं मेरा शर्ट इससे ज्यादा सफेद क्यों त्या दिवशीच म्हणलं असेल त्या तरी माझा शर्ट पिवळा आहे तुझ्या बापाचं काय जात पण this daring people don't have. People really don't have guts. And what does Ayurveda say? Brain is in the gut. The brain is in the gut is what Ayurveda has been talking about. People don't believe it. Today people are now accepting that vagus nerves to brain, the number of impulses are trillions. So your real brain is here, not here. This only receives impulses. It does not, it does management, gimmicks, this, that. It doesn't make decisions. All information comes from the system, from the vegetative system, from the respiratory system. And then an image is made, then memory comes in, but everything is fed. Another very peculiar thing is, every stimulation of the sensory organs, work done in Germany says, every impulse first goes to heart and one channel goes to the brain. Very interesting. म्हणून आपल्याकडे म्हणतो ना अरे मत दिल पे मत ले हाँ अरे दिल पे मत ले म्हणजे what do you mean by दिल पे मत ले हर चीज दिल के तरफ जाती है और वही simultaneously brain के तरफ भी जाती है and that is the reason why you should have a real solid strong heart and see that your nervous system is capacitive to handle the stress. Let's move to trying out few procedures. We'll be giving you techniques quickly. We'll only practice two varieties today because all can't be practiced because we must get to that these are the techniques. Again come back that pranayam is a state of mind. Ways are kumbhakas. Let's look at. What are the components of breath? Three major components. We have not talked of pressure, temperature, ऐसा नहीं आया क्या slide? No, ये इसमें आया है. अच्छा, okay. Now, if you want, this is again something which you should understand. She said today it is chill. So, as compared to yesterday, is it a little more chillier or less chillier? What is your subjective feeling? Don't ask little more. Somebody says little more, somebody says little less. It is subjective or objective? Subjective. Okay, so you felt, having come out of your bed, having come out of the house, it is little more chillier than yesterday. So you have experience of yesterday. With respect to that, you are experiencing today. So what does change do? Change gives you awareness. Yeah? Clear? Not clear? हाँ, आता जरा सासू सुनांना जरा भडकवूया, नाही का? That is the most popular theme in India, ना? सास भी कभी बहू थी, बहू और सास is the still hot making other than love stories. So what is it? तुझ्या बायकोला काही आपल्याकडच्या सारखी आमटी करता येत नाही. काय तिकडचे लोक कांदा लसूण सारखं वाटून वाटून खराब करून टाकली सिस्टम. असं काहीतरी होतं ना घरामध्ये. आपली परमिशन सारखी घेणार ना. Whether I want to check whether in your exclusive sheet that you are occupied, that exclusiveness is there. So, lakshat gya. So what is it? Slight change in taste or little less salt, you are immediately able to say कि आज नमक कम है, ज़्यादा है, नहीं है, जो भी है. किंवा आज हे काहीतरी वेगळ्या पद्धतीने केलेलं दिसतंय. म्हणजे चांगलं आहे का वाईट आहे नाही, पण कॉमेंट करायला मोकळे. नाही का? काहीतरी कॉमेंट करा. कोणी सांगितलं होतं हा प्रयोग करायला? मीच सापडलो का माझ्यावर प्रयोग करायला? का बोबडेजी? असं लक्षात राहा तुम्ही कॅमेराच्या मागे लपलात तरी. सो अंडरस्टँड, चेंज क्रिएट्स अवेयरनेस. दिस इज द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल. सो 3 कैटेगरीज हैं कुंभकाश के. क्या 3 है? एक, pressure, you alter mild constriction at the level of the glottis, you are creating an obstruction. So I always make the statement that if you run an obstacle race, will it not be easy to run an ordinary race? Yes or no?
Yes.
With obstacle आप दौड़ पा रहे हो, तो without obstacle नहीं obstacle असतं तर बरं झालं असतं असं थोडं ना म्हणणार ना. नाही मला त्याची सवयच पडली असंच चालायची. असंच धावायला. I mean there can be people like that. I don't rule out because habit formation. So understand that obstacle race, creating an obstacle is to create a hurdle so that you are able to fight out the hurdles. So the breakup of the word ujjayi is utjaya, to bring in victoriousness in you. So this is antidepressant category of Kumbhaka. Next is Sitali Sitakari, you change the temperature we are going in. The third is Brahmari, which is typically Brahmara-like vibration. Very interesting feature with respect to Brahmari is Brahmari has nothing to do with any word. क्या आपने किसी भी भंवरे को, यानी भंवरा यानी वो गुनगुना रहे हैं भंवरे वाला, वो भंवरा नहीं, राजेश खन्ना वाला नहीं, हाँ एक्चुअल भंवरा, यदि आपने उसका आवाज सुना हो तो कोई भी शब्द सुनाई आता है क्या? Do you hear any word? If you know any bhavara like that, take a cash prize of 1,000 rupees. You will not get. सिर्फ भ्रमर. But आज लोग as a way out ओंकार करके भ्रामरी करते हैं, मगर मुझे पूछो तो वो करना उचित नहीं है, because it is purely like a bee. Bee humming, bee-like sound, and that is very intense, that is very solid, and that can be exhilarating, that can be relaxing. So मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ भ्रामरी प्राणायाम के बाद at least 15-20 minutes you should not have any major mundane activity. You should be able to be at home, because you can take a little high, going little high. नहीं, I just had 1 glass of beer. जब अल्कोहल टेस्ट होती है फिर मालूम पड़ता है it was not 1 glass, it was a glass which was of 3 liters. XXXL Australian glass. Yeah, so saying that I just had a glass of beer doesn't make sense. What makes sense is, what is it? That is the stimulus. So be clear, Brahmari to be done with care. Let's sit wherever you are, those sitting in the chairs. Always occupy only half the chair. Permanent instruction. जब भी कुर्सी पे बैठो ऐसे बैठो कि कोई भी कुर्सी निकाल दे तो आपको दुख नहीं लगना चाहिए, खास तौर पे गवर्नमेंट पोस्टिंग वाले होते. Because with every time change in government, what is going to happen? Transfer orders. Be ready for the transfer at any point in time. Don't have your Vyana blocked. Jnana block is what? नहीं इथेच मी बरा है, पण तिथनं न हरणे. Comfort zone, आजकल बहुत terms भारी use करते हैं. You know, don't go to my space, your space. आपको स्पेस होती ही नहीं तो आप जिंदा रहती ही नहीं मैडम. आपके लिए स्पेस बनाई है ऊपर वाले ने, इसलिए तो जिंदा हो. फिर भी उसमें भी और स्पेस चाहिए. हा तो खूप मोठा प्रॉब्लेम. मोबाईलला पोरीच्या किंवा पोराच्या तुम्ही जर हात लावला, मेलाच तुम्ही समजा. नेक्स्ट मोमेंट डायरेक्ट ऑर्डर and worst order than Supreme Court Hyderabad method, straight out. तो संभालो. If you have kids, don't enter their rooms. Don't ask them awkward questions. किसके साथ थे? You, unless you want fast death bed, because you have to be very truthful with life situations. Develop thick skinness. Sit upright, be away. Don't use any of the gadgets. Let your head be on the top of your own shoulders. Don't lean on somebody else's shoulder. We're going to do a simple experiment. Just going to breathe slow, smooth with your thorax. Lower abdomen should always be slightly constricted. हमेशा हर प्राणायाम प्रोसीजर में सीना ही इस्तेमाल करना है. What we call as umbrella breathing. Umbrella opens up on all the sides. Okay, so thorax has an advantage. It opens up on all the sides. Front, side, you know, every side is expandable. Typically like a umbrella. Umbrella does not open on one side. It opens on the sides. It opens in the front, back. So let's do 5 slow, deep breaths with the chest. सीने से अपने हल्के से आंखें बंद करें. Occupy only half the chair. See that your feet are loaded. पैरों पे भी भार आना चाहिए. So that you are clear that yes, your hip joint is taking the load. Slow, smooth expansion. Slow, smooth retraction. धीरे धीरे सांस लीजिए. खाली है क्या? Be comfortable. एक 4-5 बार सिर्फ धीरे धीरे सांस लो और धीरे धीरे सांस छोड़ो. See that you get a feeling that your body weight is properly placed on the hip joints, your head is above it. The next step we are going to do is we are going to breathe in and just hold the breath for a while. Please remember, it is just trying to listen to the feeling of inhalation. And that air has gone into your lungs. Get into that feeling कि हाँ मैंने हवा ली है बाहर से. मैं ऑक्सीजन नहीं कह रहा हूँ. जो भी मटेरियल है एनवायरनमेंट में वो सब इंक्लूडिंग इम्प्यूरिटीज वो जाने ही वाला है. तो चॉइस एंड एक्सेल स्लोली. धीरे धीरे सांस छोड़िए. लेने के बाद जरा सा रुकेंगे. Just a bit. Not going to a breathless state. We are just introducing you to the idea of Kumbha. Just listen out. Suppose you close your eyes and you have an earthen pot and you have a tap where you can open the tap and the water can fall into that ghata, that matka. If the matka is empty, just by the very sound of water falling into it gives you a feeling that the pot is empty. If the pot is half full, also you come to know that the pot is half full. If the pot is overflowing, also you can come to know that now the pot is overfilling. This is possible. ये आप महसूस कर सकते हैं, कर पाते हैं, करने की क्षमता रखते हैं. Our external skin, for that matter, is only about 14 to 18 square feet in area. If you open up your alveolar wall, it is almost 1.2 square miles. And it has all the potential of the external skin as regards sensations. Okay. If you have gone through the 5 breaths, now we are going to create a little obstruction like Ujjayi. हल्का सा गले में, जैसे आप गला क्लियर करने के लिए करते हो, मगर that is excessive, irregular. हल्का सा कॉन्स्ट्रिक्शन, या तो सांस लेते समय या छोड़ते समय, दोनों वक्त भी कर सकते हैं। अगर दो में से एक भी होता है तो धीरे धीरे आने लग जाएगा। काफी बार लोगों को सांस लेते समय हो पाता है, छोड़ते समय नहीं कर पाते हैं। So that is your subjective issue, but you must know that the area that is getting constricted during inhalation and exhalation is different. It's not the same. हल्का सा गले में खराश जैसे mild constriction during inhalation, mild constriction during exhalation. Just try. Only about 5 to 7 breaths. We are not asking you to hold. Breathe in comfortably and breathe out gently when you feel like. You can wait if you like, having got yourself satisfied with inhalation. Because all those who are present today, we're going to be floating a new bank. Yesterday, interestingly, the finance minister rang me up to give me a permission to open a bank. All those who attend the workshop today are going to be the custodians of that bank. Sita Raman called me up yesterday night saying that you can start a bank which will not drown, which will not be looted, which will not be cheated, and all the people present today in the workshop are going to be custodians of that bank. And name of the bank, Vikalpaji, is nothing but Bank of Love and Satisfaction. What's the new bank we are floating? Bank of Love, not Bangkok. Bank of Love and Bank of Satisfaction. Remember clearly, every inhalation that you do and every inhalation that even naturally happens, there is a satisfaction attached to it. Otherwise, you would have not breathed out, you would have continued to breathe in. Even if your installed capacity, vital capacity is 5000 cc's, at that point in time, if it is 500 cc's, you only breathe 500 cc's. Because yesterday we have seen during our session that the Jiva does not crave. Jivala hav nahi. Indriyana hav aste, Jivala hav naste. Jiva does not crave. It only goes in and asks for whatever is the need at that point in time. Continue this mild constriction. In case there are any volunteers, you can just move. Vikalpa, you can move. Even Sheetal madam, you can move and just see if anybody needs help as regards constriction. हल्का सा आवाज गले में आना चाहिए. Light constriction at the level of the glottis. Continue doing that, those who know about it. Mild constriction during exhalation or during inhalation. Smooth inhalation, smooth exhalation. This is nothing but Ujjayi. Regular practice of this can definitely change the mental setup of feeling low, feeling left off, feeling lonely, to feeling depressed can be managed as per what the Shastra says. We are now going to attempt Brahmari. And like I said, this is just a sample approach of trying to tell you that art of Kumbhaka has nothing to do with deep breathing. Deep breathing is an exercise concept. It has nothing to do with feeling. It has nothing to do with satisfaction out of inhalation. It is not Purak Rechak based. It is not Kumbhak based. The word satisfaction does not come there. There it is to exercise the respiratory muscles to increase the vital capacity. It is more muscular in nature. Here also muscles are involved. Without muscles you are not going to breathe in or out. You need pulmonary muscles, pulmonary supportive group. You need typically what is intercostal muscles of the chest or abdomen, whatever you do. But we are not stuck to muscles. We are going into the house of lungs. My teacher would say that if at the immigration counter you are required to have yourself stamped, every time air gets into you, why don't you stamp every cc of air that gets into you? Every cc of air that steps out, why can't you register that? Why can't you feel that? Because this large an area, 1.2 square miles area is available for you to feel. We are so externalized, हम इतने इंद्रियों के पीछे लग जाते हैं कि हम भीतर झांक ही नहीं पाते. We are not able to peep into ourselves. This is the real problem. The moment you get into pratyahara, with gradual contact with breath and breath and breath, then you will start realizing when cravings and aversions and judgmental dimension reduces, your sensory pathways from the alveolar wall will start doing their job. They will start working. You will start realizing satisfaction coming out of the process. Let's do Brahmari now. We have about 7 minutes at our disposal. Easiest way to do gargling is, Brahmari is, you don't need to cover the Shanmukhi Mudra lagane ki zarurat nahi. We are not doing Omkar. We are going to do only innermost part of the upper palate to be made to vibrate. We have regularly asked people, everybody knows gargling, okay, simple gargling. So if you have got through bad throat, you take a little water, we all do that, okay. When you do this, what happens is, air from the trachea is coming out and the water moves because of the water. And because water is present, it vibrates because of the air. Now if water is withdrawn, still vibration is possible. If you can understand this principle, आपने सिर पीछे लिया, मुंह में पानी था, पानी क्यों हिला? हवा की बदौलत. अंदर से ट्रैकिया से आपने हवा बाहर छोड़ी इसलिए. Suppose you withdraw the water column, still vibration is possible because vibration is not because of water, vibration is because of the air being thrown out of trachea. Now what you're going to do is take a deep breath, comfortably but really solid, develop pneumatic pressure. What do you mean by pneumatic pressure? Squeeze out the upper part from where the air is coming out. Put that waxing waning dimension to it. You reduce and adjust the pressure, waxing waning effect will come. Keep now the chin parallel to the floor. Now you are not doing gargling anymore. You are now exhaling with having inhaled well. अच्छी तगड़ी सांस लो, constrict the glottis and try to hit the uppermost part of the palate. You can use a word like Ganga to begin with, just the help, but drop the anuswar. But no no, nothing of that sort. The moment you hear that, you are not doing Brahmari. Brahmari is beyond words. Brahmari has nothing to do with a word. If you are hearing a word, you are not doing Brahmari. No Brahmara is uttering a word. ऐसे लोग कहते हैं गूंगा है मतलब वो कोई भी शब्द उच्चार नहीं कर पाता है. यदि वो गूंगा एक भी शब्द उच्चारण कर सकता है तो दूसरा भी कर सकेगा. गूंगा एक भी लफ्ज इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पा रहा है, यदि क्लियर है तो एक यदि कर सके तो दूसरा भी हो सकता है. यदि अ कह सकता है तो म भी कह पाएगा. But that is not possible. So no please keep on. Carry on. Just help out. In case help is required, we have 2 of the volunteers to help you out. The moment you feel that you are uttering a word, stop. You can use Anuswara to help you to know which area should be hit by the air column. From within, strong current of air should be hitting. Now the head position is normal. वो बताने के बाद कुछ लोगों ने अभी भी सिर पीछे लिया हुआ. इधर आपके पीछे. इनको समझाते भी वो आप हेड करेक्ट कर सकते हो. Now you don't need to mean position. अभी भी mean position नहीं है. Mean position. No. Mean position. And later on you can close the mouth also. So Brahmari is not to be done with the mouth open as such. It's going to be with mouth closed. Keep on, keep on. And with so many Brahmaras, I don't get the kind of sound I'm looking for. Get this kind of a sound. Remember, it is sound, it is not word. Every sound need not have a word.
Bit close, sir. Bit close.
Yes, later on close. Initially you can open it.
Only this nose.
Yeah. Yes. Drop and then close the mouth. Volunteer here. Somebody has raised hand here.
Close the mouth to get the sound of mouth.
ऐसा कुछ जरूरी नहीं है. आ जाएगा. प्रैक्टिस के बगैर कैसे? Stop now. You can stop now. So what was the entire gimmick of what we have tried to do in 2 sessions? One basic thing is Kumbhakas are ways and means to attain pranayama. I hope that is clear. Doing a lot of nonsense with breath. Complete the sentence, please. Doing a lot of nonsense with the breath is not pranayama. It is just to slightly alter the pressure, temperature or vibration mode to get to the basic experience. That's all. Natural breathing जो है उसका राज समझने के लिए प्राणायाम है. Okay, the gati has to be understood. You have to understand what is it that makes breathing happen, to pick up the impulses of shvasa and prashvasa which are happening oriented, which we don't do. आप सोए रहते हो, सांस शुरू है, इसका मतलब है कोई तो आपके भीतर है जो ये काम कर रहा है. It is to get that hot line to that Trump. Trump is the hot selling fellow. So I have to use the word Trump because he's going to be impeached. So very important, because generally no president till now has been impeached. So no problem. Then what is the carry home thing? We all, with every single breath in your life, get satisfied. But the problem is we don't become aware of that satisfaction. So that is why today we have floated a bank called Bank of Love. You are the people who are custodians of the bank. हर वक्त सांस लोगे तो बताओ अपने आप को कि मैं तृप्त हो रहा हूं, क्योंकि जरूरत के मुताबिक सांस होता है. वो गाना नहीं है सांसों की जरूरत हो जैसे. सो दैट इज द होल बेस. सांसों की क्योंकि सनम यू आर नॉट देयर दैट दिन खतरनाक. ओके, सो वो जरूरत डिसाइड करती है ब्रेथ, और जरूरत पूरी हो रही है ना, इसका मतलब आप तृप्त हो रहे हो. इंस्टॉल कैपेसिटी ज्यादा है मगर 500 सीसी काफी है, तो तृप्ति मिल रही है मगर तृप्त हो रहे हैं ये मालूम ही नहीं. आप तृप्ति कहीं और देख रहे हो. कोई तृप्ति नाम की लड़की नहीं गई तो मारेंगे आके. सो आवर कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर आर नॉट क्लियर. मैं ये करूं या वो करूं, 4 काउंट करूं, 16 काउंट रोकूं। ये रोका रोकी किसने कहा है भाई? इतना रोको, 16 काउंट रोक पाए तो डायरेक्ट स्वर्ग में 16 मेहनताएं मिलेंगी। पागल हो, इधर ही दे देता हूं। So don't go hanky panky into areas which nowhere it is said. Shanaihi purakam kurya. Everywhere the description is slow. Kapalbhati, friends, is not pranayam. Kapalbhati is one of the 6 cleansing procedures. Kapalbhati पे independently 2 घंटे में बात कर सकता हूँ, इतना स्टॉक मेरे पास constant है. Okay. So smile, because now you are custodian of the bank of satisfaction and love. Thank you, friends. We have just 2 minutes. In case there is any complicated basic question, complicated and basic, ऐसा होगा तो ही मैं प्रश्न लूंगा. Ordinary question, क्या मैं किसी का हाथ पकड़ के प्राणायाम कर सकता हूं? ऐसे सिली क्वेश्चन मत पूछो. आजकल क्योंकि ये सहयोग वगैरह बहुत हो गया, ग्रुप में वो बियर योग, कोई किसी ने कहा ये योग, वो योग, हॉट योग, कोल्ड योग, पागल योग, यू बेटर फ्लोट, आर्किटेक्ट, नया योग, पागल योग, पूना में गई पागल होके आई, पागल योग. चलो अपना गाना बजाओ यार, माहौल बनाओ. मेरा नाम चिन चिन चिन, जिंदगी है क्या बोस? उसके बाद तो
तुम्हारी फटफट सुन रहा हूं मैं. बोल के मेरा सर खा गया तुम. बोलो, बातें करो मुझसे, बातें करो मुझसे, बातें करो मुझसे. बाबू साहब, जिंदगी और मौत ऊपर वाले के हाथ है. जहां बना उसे ना तो आप बदल सकते हैं ना मैं. हम सब तो रंगमंच की कठपुतलियां हैं जिनकी डोर ऊपर वाले की उंगलियों में बंधी है. कब, कौन, कैसे उठेगा ये कोई नहीं बता सकता है.
So thank the architect of the universe that you are alive and you are breathing today to do pranayam. Thank you.